Well, of course, we got to kick things off with a tropical update. What's going on out in the Gulf? How is this going to impact us? Let's cover this first, and then I'll take a sneak peek at what's going on today and this weekend. 50% chance for development out there in the Bay of Campeche. You can see all that convection, that cloud cover associated with this broad low-pressure system. It's expected to track west or west and northwest and not make landfall here in the valley, but it is going to bring us a lot of rain, it looks like, starting on Monday. Here's a futurecast of what you can expect. Low pressure system continuing slowly off towards the west with all this tropical moisture pulling into not only the valley but also much across South Texas and the coastal bend, bringing a significant amount of rainfall. This is going to last all the way through the end of next week, which right now I think maybe Tuesday through Thursday will be some of our rainier days. And we're looking at this potentially becoming a tropical depression, which would not warrant a name, and then it eventually crossing over to our south and continuing to rain on us all the way through Friday of next week. That's a week from today. In terms of those rainfall totals, we are talking about upwards of 5 inches in the realm of possibility. That's a lot of rain. It means roadways are going to be wet. It means water buildup is likely on roads and low-lying areas. If you have a house and you know that there are certain places in your neighborhood that easily collect that water, that's going to be an issue by the time we get to Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. So now we're starting to talk about the potential to see some of these issues. Now, on the positive side, our drought monitor from yesterday shows worsening conditions across the valley. This rain is going to aid in us seeing some of that water, that rain that we so desperately need. We just don't want to see flooding that sometimes comes with these things. Here's what you need to know going into next week. This may become a tropical depression by around Tuesday or Wednesday. Heavy downpours and storms are going to be in the forecast from Monday through Friday. More than 5 inches of rain are possible for some areas, especially Cameron and Wilsey counties. Dangerous driving conditions will be present basically all week next week, so please drive carefully. And of course, again, the main threat is not going to be any sort of severe weather. It's going to be those rainfall totals. Okay, today, we're going to be in the upper 90s, y'all. A couple clouds out there and a 20% chance for some sea breeze showers, but don't let that stop you from spending some time outside. Very few of us are going to get wet. So if you want to head out to the island today, 87 degrees, extreme UV index, and look at that. Low rip current risk. It's actually going to be a pretty good day to be out on the beach. And if you can't go today, you can probably go tomorrow, so don't you worry about it. Here's a couple of those sea breeze showers this afternoon. Heading towards 3 to 4 p.m. It's going to be very isolated along with those clouds pushing across. And tonight we're clear, so go hang out, do those Friday night plans. Saturday we could see a handful of early morning showers, but again, we are looking at the beach staying mostly or completely dry. So for your Saturday, those outdoor plans are going to be a good to go from me. It's a Sunday. We start to see a 30% chance for showers, and then later next week on Monday, that's when significant rainfall will begin.